Have you ever wondered why preparing for NET Set TRB exams in English literature seems so daunting? Is it the extensive reading list, the complex themes, the literary theories, or the sheer volume of historical context? Understanding English literature is not just about reading and memorizing texts. It's about developing a deep understanding of literary movements, themes, and the historical context of works. Here are some actionable tips that can help. Start by engaging with the text. Read it, then reread it. Don't just skim through the pages. Dive deep into the text, dissect it, analyze it, understand the plot, the characters, the themes, the symbols, and the metaphors. Look for the hidden meanings, the subtle nuances. The more you understand the text, the better you'll be able to answer questions about it. Next, understand the historical context. Literature does not exist in a vacuum. It is often a reflection of the time and place it was written. So, delve into the history of the period. Understand the social, political, and cultural milieu of the time. This understanding will add depth to your interpretation of the text. Now let's tackle literary theories. These theories provide different lenses through which to view and interpret literature. Familiarize yourself with major theories like feminism, Marxism, psychoanalysis, structuralism, post-structuralism, and others. Applying these theories to text can help you gain varied perspectives and enrich your understanding. Don't forget to make notes. Write down your observations, interpretations, and insights. They will serve as your guide when you revise. Create mind maps for characters and plots. Draw timelines for historical context. Write down key points about literary theories. Practice is key. The more you practice, the better you get. So solve previous year's question papers. Understand the pattern of questions, the weightage of different sections. This will help you strategize your preparation and manage your time effectively. But remember, it's not just about the exam. It's about developing a love for literature. Enjoy the process of reading, analyzing, and understanding literature. When you are passionate about what you do, success is bound to follow. To summarize, mastering English literature for NET, SET, TRB exams involves engaging thoroughly with the text, understanding the historical context, learning about literary theories, making effective notes, and practicing regularly. But above all, it requires developing a passion for literature. So, embark on this fascinating journey of exploring literature. The path may be challenging, but the rewards are truly enriching. Happy reading.